Right then, I went up to the Lego store. You probably know the rest already. I went to the Lego store to see if they had any more Polybags that I wanted. Unfortunately, no, they didn't. But I ended up buying things. I'm sorry. I'm ashamed of myself. Not! Okay, so... Okay, Polybags. 1, 2. These aren't the ones I wanted, but I will make do with these, so that's cool. It's the birthday train set. Gonna mess about with them, make one train and carriages is what I'm hoping to do. So that was those two, very small. Let's see what else. Now, I have some sad news, which I'm going to miss. Beza. Beza is leaving the Lego store for something else in her life, which is good. I understand why she's doing it, but she leaves at the end of this month, so I'm so sad. When I told her what I wanted, but they didn't have in stock, she had actually built the Polybag set, and she said, I am gifting this to you, which I really appreciated. See the theme? So she gifted me what she had built. Oh, there's a piece missing. There's something in my bag. What's this? Oh, okay. I think that goes on there, like that. I'm sure. Anyway, nothing else? No. Okay, gone. So she gifted me this. So I got a gift with purchase. And then Beza has her own minifig that she designed, and she wears it all the time on her badge. And she gave me the one off of her badge. So Beza is going to be here with the Beza minifigs all the time. So this is cool. I hope she does well, and I'm sure she will. What she's going to do and where she's going, I don't want to say, because obviously it's not my business to say, but she did tell me. So when I miss Beza, I can see this, which is cool. This is her own design minifig, so she is the official Beza in my set of Beza figs over here. All of these were built by Beza. So she's the boss. So now we've got Tree Guy with chicken on head. We've got the water garden guy who's looking after Tree Guy. We have the witch with the blue tit, the bluebird. Then we have the pirate, and we have what's he called? Karate Kid, who I put a little baton in his hand. And now we have the official Beza. So very, very cool. I'm gonna miss you, Beza. I will come and see you before you go. You said your last day is the 28th, so I'm coming definitely, if not before, but on the 28th. I'll be there because I want to say bye-bye. Okay, so that's that. It was very, very cool of Beza to do that. Really cool. So we got 2 Polybags, 1 official Beza minifig, and 1 Christmas train set. Then I saw this. And I had to do it. I had to buy it, and I'm going to unbox it now because I don't care. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for. Maybe I'll put my I love Haribo stuff, sour sweets. That's very dusty. Okay, so there's that one, which is very, very cool. They were in the shop apparently, but they didn't have the codes for them, and they got the codes today, and she sent me a message and said, you really want to come in here? So, because she knew that I'd like them. I'd never said before. And then I saw this. And of course, yes, I had to buy this as well. So, unboxing and mini haul, Lego haul video. What more could you ask for? I mean, you know, I try my best for everybody, but that is very, very cool. I could use this box if it didn't have this piece missing, but I will put that there. I'm going to start flat packing my boxes because I have too many. Alright, so let me get my cloth because that is filthy because the front of the box is open. It gets very dirty, so, and I need to clean him because, tongue in cheek, oh dear, that's not good. That's blemished. Oh, okay, let's see if I can clean it up. But if not, Baser, I'm coming back to the store. But they don't come off. Those are marked forever. That's not good. Alright, so I will contact Baser, send her a message and tell her. Because I don't want bad. Okay, so we have the mini. Oof. And that's got something sticky on the bottom of it. What is that? Okay, that was some kind of sticker which is stuck on there. Alright, okay, so they've probably been sat in the official warehouse for months or something, probably, no my luck. Now, you're thinking to yourself, is that it? Is that all you got? No. I had to go in there also for my friend Serdar, who I've mentioned before. He wanted to reserve some things and pre-order some things. We don't have pre-orders here, but we can put our name on a list and hopefully we'll get what we want. And one of the things he decided he wanted to buy, which I got put by for him, I saw there was only 2, and I looked online and there's none. And the ones that are online available right now are increased in price by quite a lot. So I thought I'd buy it. I'm not a cat guy, but I bought it. I probably won't build it now. I will wait for a while. Maybe I could do this on a stream. Looks like this could be a bit of a pain because it's mainly black, but the Tuxedo cat is very cool. I'm not a cat guy. I do like cats. I have nothing against cats. I had 2 dogs. They both passed away. And I don't have a cat. I haven't had a cat since I was with my ex-wife. And she loved cats. So you can have the head can turn, the mouth can open or close, and you can change the colour of the eyes. Well, mine's definitely got to have blue eyes. So that's my Lego haul that was only supposed to be buying a couple more of these. Yeah. So instead of like, I don't know, 400 lira, I spent 7,500 lira, which is a big difference. Yeah, so whatever. I don't care. I really don't care. I'm going on holiday soon, so I was trying to save my money, but that kind of backfired today. But it's nothing. It's fine. It's not a problem. So, like, subscribe if you want to see more of Lego hauls. Let me know, online ones or going to the shops. Going on holiday soon. Plan on visiting some Lego stores if I can. On the motorbike, I'm going for a tour kind of thing around about Turkey, because I love Turkey. Just chill out, some like 4 or 5 days or something. Stop at a few places. Maybe go to some Lego stores that have recently been opened here in Turkey. It's not kind of on the way, but I can make it on the way, and then on the way back go along the coast, come back up. So it should be interesting. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. What do you think? Did you buy the Tuxedo cat? Did you ever buy these? I mean, these are very, very rare to come into Turkey, so when I saw them I had to have them. It's a shame about the big one being stained, but I'll see what they can do. See you later. Bye bye. And I've got to do another build now. Bye.